Biology Part 42. Some aspects of these control mechanisms are discussed in our tutorial, and they deal with the liver and pancreas. The next tutorial considers how the basic structures of mammals' digestive system is altered to cope with the very different specialized diets of carnivores or herbivores. Carnivores and herbivores. Well, the structure and function of the human digestive system was described. The human system is rather unspecialized and copes moderately with all a wide range of different food materials. Carnivores and herbivores have much more specialized digestive system which deal with various restricted diets. Carnivores eat meat. This material is mainly protein, and since its chemical composition is similar to that of the animal's own body, it is needed only in small amounts. It is to digest but difficult to obtain, at least in as much as prey organisms evade capture. Herbivores eat grass or other vegetation. This is easy to obtain but is very difficult to digest and is therefore eaten in large amounts. These differences in diet have a dramatic effect on the structure of organisms involved, especially in relation to the teeth and skull. Teeth, skull, and digestion in carnivores. Well, the teeth and skull of a dog well adapted for the carnivorous mode of life. Domestic dogs do not catch and kill prey in the same way as their wolf-like ancestors, but retain many typical carnivore features. At the front of the mouth, the incisor teeth are chisel-shaped and meet with a nibbling action which helps in removing scraps of meat from the bone. The prominent curved canine teeth are pointed and used to pierce the prey, holding it firmly. Carnivores often kill their prey by vigorous shaking at the neck. The jaws of the dog close with a powerful scissor-like action. The premolars and the large carnassials being superbly adapted for both splitting and cutting the meat into smaller pieces. At the back of the mouth, the molar teeth are small and little used. The teeth of a carnivore merely slice the food into pieces. Small enough to swallow, there is little or no mastication. Although the teeth are exposed to large forces during feeding, and the food is not abrasive so that they do not wear excessively. Like human teeth, they have closed roots. In carnivores, temporals muscles are enlarged and run all the way from the lower jaw to the top of the skull, where there is a pronounced ridge for muscles attachment. The shape of the lower jaw gives temporalis muscles good leverage so that the jaw closes with the considerable force. The masseter and medial pterygoid muscles are less well developed but also contract when the jaws close, pulling the jaw forward and thereby reducing the strain at the jaw joint. The joint itself is hinge-like and unlikely to become dislocated during feeding. The remainder of the alimentary canal in the dog is quite similar to that in humans, but somewhat shorter.